What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today, I want to show you how to make $1 per minute doing this one simple thing. It's very simple, very easy. Anybody can do it. Doesn't matter what your age is. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So before I show you exactly what I've been doing, I want to show you something that really ties into it. But right here is it's a guide. It's a $10 guide. 40 profitable items every reseller should know. The reason I'm showing you this, because for one, it's down in the description box below. Go get it. But second reason is because one of the easiest ways to make money and make $1 per minute, just like I've been doing lately, is to buy and resell stuff over on eBay. Now, the reason I'm showing you guys eBay and not Amazon or Craigslist or Facebook is because eBay is one of those marketplaces that anybody can get into. And number two, you have a wider market than just selling locally. So this item right here, okay, I picked this up for $1. Okay, and I picked up a few other items, and I'm going to show you everything I picked up and what it's currently selling for over on eBay. This item right here, this is a Radica pre-sale from 1999 handheld game. All right, this game, it does work. Okay, it is dirty, it needs to be cleaned. There is some wear on it, however, it's still in great condition. Now, the reason why I'm showing you this is because people pretty much give these things away. Okay, they pretty much give them away. I paid them $1 for it. Even if I sell that, okay, when I sell that, I'll probably sell it for like $14.99, $15.99. Look right here. This one sold for $15 a few days ago, okay, and with shipping, so $19.49. Even if I sell this for like 15 bucks, I'll still make about $7 off of this after shipping and after my fees. That is pretty good for only paying $1, okay? And again, the reason why I want to show you this is because these items are out there everywhere. Now I know what you're probably thinking, well, how did you make $1 per minute? Because you obviously had to go pick it up. You obviously had to list it. You had to ship it. How do you make $1 per minute? This is just one item, okay? This is just one item. I have a few more that I want to show you. But the reason and the way I picked this up for only $1 and I'm making $1 per minute is because this item right here was on Let Go. And I simply asked, and if you don't know what Let Go is, okay, it's just an app that you can get on your smartphone, and you can get it on the computer as well. Here, let me show you really quick. So here is the web-based, computer version of it. It's very simple once you get on your phone as well. But let's say I'm here in the Seattle area. I want tech stuff. Let's say I want this Nintendo DS IXL and 13 games, looks like, for $100. Okay, no charging cord, works fine. Maybe I can get a deal off this, okay? Because individually I could probably sell these games, right? So number one, I negotiate all the prices. Number two, I ask them if they have more stuff. If they aren't willing to go down in the price, do they have more games? Do they have more accessories with it? Because I can break all that stuff up and make more money. Now again, that is just one of the reasons why I wanted to mention this guide right here, the $10 guide, 40 profitable items every reseller should know. Because there is more profit here than you probably realize, all right? And so you can kind of see some of the stuff that's in there. But again, $10, link down in the description box below. So the second item I picked up, okay, I actually picked up two of these things right here, okay? These iPad mini smart. And the reason why I'm mentioning these is because, again, this isn't what they were selling, okay? There's actually another item I'm going to show you in just a second, so make sure you watch the entire video. That was the item I actually was going after, okay? It wasn't a lot of money, but just by asking, okay, for a better deal and asking, do you have anything else? Do you have anything else you just don't use, okay? That was a strategy I learned from, they had this show, it's called Barter Kings. I don't know if you've ever seen it. If you have, okay, comment down below, let me know that you've seen it, and also hit that thumbs up button. But it was called Barter Kings. It's not on the air anymore, but one of the strategies I learned from watching that show, yes, I used to watch it, okay, and I loved it, is don't just ask or don't just walk away from the deal or don't just be, happy with the deal that you got. Always ask for more. Ask for a better deal or ask for something else, okay? Because if I wouldn't have asked, do you have anything else? Then I would never got these, okay? I paid $1 for each one of these. Let me show you. So even after I paid $1, okay, for these, okay, then that's $1 for this one, $1 for this one, okay? So $2 total for those. Even if I sell it for $10, okay, I paid $1 each, I'll make about after shipping, I'll probably make about $4.60 to 80 cents a piece. Okay? So let's do a quick little recap. Okay, about, let's say, $5 a piece for each one of these, $10. Okay, plus $7, $17. Okay, now it did take me a little bit longer, 17 minutes to make this, but there's one more item. Let me show you. So this item right here, they were selling it for $1. Okay, well, I got it for $1. They're selling it for $5. I ended up getting it for $1 because I did buy some other things as well. Okay, this item right here, this Joe Bar's illuminated magnifying slide negative viewer, open box, new, unused. Okay, this was sold for $19.50 a month ago. Okay, I'm gonna sell it for a little bit more than that. Okay, so I'll probably sell it for about, let's just say $20. It's a little bit bigger, kind of heavier, so I'll probably make about $8 off this one item. Okay, $8 to $9. I'm just gonna say 8. So total, if you count all 4 items, I'm actually gonna make about $25. So yes, it did take me less than $25 because this right here, all I had to do was plop in a new battery. Okay, took me 20 seconds. You wiped it down a little bit. That I haven't done yet. Okay, obviously, but then to list it, it's probably take me about 2 minutes to list it. These right here, again, same thing. Probably about another 2 minutes to list it. This thing right here, probably take about 3 minutes to list it. I'll take a few more pictures. There's a little bit more involved in that one because I'm not just going to take a picture of the box, all right? But everything was done on Let Go, okay? The person showed up at my house, okay? And so that's something that I don't always recommend that you do it, okay? But this person, after I sent him, messages back and forth, I didn't know this person, so that's the only reason why I invited him over to my house, okay? And whether I knew this person or not, I would have still tried to negotiate down the price and also ask for more stuff, okay? You always want to do that because as a reseller, whether you sell on Amazon, on eBay, on Craigslist, on Facebook, on Poshmark, wherever you sell, okay, it doesn't matter. You need to have more inventory. The more inventory you have, the more options you have, the more items you can possibly resell, okay? So, like I said, you can make $1 per minute. I've been showing people stuff here on my channel for years. Different things I buy and sell. Different ways I get discounts. Different ways I can make a little extra money. All these things are important. Okay, saving an extra quarter, 50 cents on an item may not seem like a big deal right now. But if you sell 1,000 items over the course of a year, okay, and you save an extra 50 cents on every single one, that means you just saved or profited an additional $500 that year by simply asking for a little bit of a discount. Not a huge one, just a little bit, right? So if you're ready to start making some money online, I highly recommend you sell on eBay, you sell on Amazon, you sell everywhere you can, but you need to find that inventory. I recommend Facebook, I recommend Craigslist, I recommend buying stuff on eBay as well and selling it, or using apps such as Let Go. Okay, that's one of the apps I use. Absolutely love it. Always find some great deals. Now, some people on there will try to negotiate with you a little bit, but they always want to get the most money for their item. They think it's gold. They think it's just the best thing out there. When honestly, probably isn't. You're trying to get the complete opposite, and that's when you clash. So some deals will happen. Most deals won't, but you can't be worried about the items or the deals that won't happen. You just got to put in the work and go for it, all right? So if you guys have any questions on how to make $1 per minute, how to just make money on eBay, even if you don't make $1 per minute, even if you can make $20 in an hour, that's probably more than you're making right now at your current job, right? If it is, hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.